Hello friends, my name is Vishal. Today I am going to show you how to install Oracle binaries on Linux server or 11.04. I am using Xterm X Xterm to set the display. So I no need any license software. See, this is my Xterm display. Okay, and this is 200 is my server. I am going to connect using SSH hyphen capital X my Oracle ID at the rate IP address. So yeah, I already connected to my server and go to the path where where software is present. So this this is my binaries 1 and 2. If I'm doing only standalone instance, then I need only these two binaries. If you are installing grid or ASM, then you require this third binaries also. So that two I already extracted, and this is extracted folder. I'll go into this, check, then just you after set up your display and all, how to check display uh, is working or not. Just do X clock. Yeah, clock is working. It's a graphic is there. Then execute run installer. Yeah, this is my first window. So untick this. We don't want to receive any mails from Oracle. Next. Okay, skip software updates. We don't want any software updates. Click on next. Just install database software only. I will create database later after software installation. Then next. Yeah, single instance database installation. uh, just right now we are doing single instance Oracle installation, so need to select this. If you are you want to install RAC, then you can select this, and single nor RAC for this. Then next. Default is English. Next. Here you can select enterprise edition, standard edition as standard one edition. So enterprise edition is licensed, and here also means enterprise edition cost is more rather than standard edition and standard one edition. So I have this software, so I'm going with the enterprise edition. This is your uh, database home location, and this is Oracle base location. Let me create a directory. There was a permission issue which is now resolved, and I'm on next page. Just this is inventory location. Click on next. Here is SSDB and all privileges. Click on next. This is all things is okay, just only a problem with my physical memory. So let's see if I can ignore all and can possible to go on next page. Yes, I can able to jump on next page. This is your final page. You need to check all things are correctly. Your software location, your Oracle base directory is perfect, and inventory location. After that you can click on install, and your installation will start. Installation is started. Execute this too with root user. Thank you for watching.